Hi guys, welcome to another short video just chatting about a crotch repair on a pair of steel feathers. Now if you're not know much about steel feathers, they're normally of a heavier weight. These are about 20 ounce, they feel a bit more like Ironheart denim, they're quite thick, and what's happened with this one is a bit of a typical repair that we see now and again. The threads, the cottons have started to break away on the crotch point, so we need to remove some of the old stitching. As you can see that it's all come away, and then we're gonna have to restitch it. Now it's got a yellow stitching there and it's got a navy one there, and then I'd say that's more like a lemon colour, and then we've also got more of a yellow cotton on the front there. So to do this repair you will need a thick lemon, thick yellow and thick navy cotton, and then you would need a hammer just to go around the point where all the fabric joins up. You'd have to hammer that down and just make that a bit flatter, because otherwise it'll just break your needles. Ideally it might be a bit tricky doing this on a home machine because of how heavy they are. You might get away if say they're a normal pair of Levi's, but if they're a thicker fabric like something like these steel feathers or like Ironheart, something, you probably struggle a bit and you would need to get an industrial machine or use a tailor like myself to do the work for you. So we're going to be restitching it in there, in the yellow, in the navy, and then in the yellow again on the top part, so it all matches neatly. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you the after part.